Your lesson starts in the kitchen. You save everything. So I buy all organic eggs, and they're in these recyclable things. I wash them out. Now people say you should put them in the oven and cook them on high to get rid of salmonella. I don't do that. I just wash them and then put them in here and then wet this whole thing, and then it goes in my compost. We'll go do it in a minute. I save everything. Like this is called a browns. You're gonna learn about browns later on. So I save anything that comes in the mail from Amazon, that brown paper. I try not to get anything that's printed on. Like I obviously pulled the label off the eggs. Pull all your labels off your bananas. I mean, these are too brown for me to eat. I don't like them brown, so, but I save them all. So I put this in my smoothie, I put it in banana bread, but the peels, everything goes in my worm bag. So worms don't like it. They do not like onions, garlic, but they love greens. So this is just like the stems. This is kale. This is cantaloupe rinds, strawberry tops, banana peels. So you always keep all of your kitchen scraps in a bag in the refrigerator. And then once every like 2 weeks, you're gonna feed your worms, which we're gonna go out and feed the worms. The only eggs that go in here are ones that have been boiled. The other eggs, these were the raw eggs. This is for something else. But for your compost bag, only eggshells that go in there, these are from boiled eggs. So those are a little bit different, but I'll teach you what to do with that in a little while. So I save all of my scraps. Even, like last night I made soup, my carrot tops go in water. I mean, I save everything, my peach seeds, everything. So everything's recyclable.